This is my clojure project that I built. Just a quick proof of concept showcase per se. So what this program does is it basically acts like a recipe book. It takes or it has a list of recipes. Right now I only have two. I have quesadillas and fried rice, but you could realistically add as many recipes as you want. You just have to add a little asterisk, so that's how it determines whether it's a new recipe. And here's the ingredients that you can add through the program, saying what you have in your kitchen, and then this is where all the completed recipes will go once you're done. So you can, if you want, you can copy this and take a look at what you want later. And then here are the possible ingredients that you can have. If the ingredient that you're trying to add isn't in this list, it won't count it as a valid ingredient, and it won't add it. So we'll ask for another one. So if we go ahead and run this, I need to start the program, so this might take a little bit, or a little bit longer than normal. So we'll start clojure, start a REPL, and then we will go ahead and load the file. It's called book.clj. I am running this through VS Code, so if you have something else, you can also just do the same thing. You just have to open a terminal, whatever IDE you're using. Okay, so here's our recipe book menu. We can do a couple things. We can add an ingredient. We can view all the possible recipes we can make. We can clear all of our ingredients. I don't have a way to clear individual ingredients yet. That's something that I want to add later. And then we can view what ingredients that we have right now. So let's go ahead and let's see what we have, since we already have stuff in our ingredients. We can make quesadillas. So since we can make quesadillas, that's one of our things. Well, let's add an ingredient. So I know the one thing that we're missing from fried rice is we need chicken. So we'll just go ahead and put chicken. We'll enter the amount. Let's do 3. Okay, so we got 3 units of chicken. We can go ahead and now we can view our possible recipes again. And now we have quesadillas and fried rice. So then we can clear all of our ingredients. Now we'll remove all of our ingredients, and now if we go and view our ingredients, there's nothing there because we cleared it all away. So then we could just add back stuff for quesadillas. So, whoops. I haven't really handled the error handling bit, but if you don't enter a number here, it doesn't like that very much. So that's also something that I want to implement later. But as a proof of concept, that's all I really wanted to show. We have basically our recipes. We have our ingredients that are now gone. We have our completed recipes. It clears itself every time you run the view recipes file. So this will get deleted once you run this again. And then our ingredients, which shouldn't be touched. It's just for lookup from the clojure file. And if you want, you can pause and take a look at all the code here and see how it works. Basically, it's just a lot of recursive list reading. It's mostly what it does. It does a little bit of file reading too. This may surprise you, but I'm not a crazy clojure guy. This is basically my first real foray into functional programming. So I try my best with what I got, but since I'm so used to programming languages like Java, C#, and like Python, this is really throwing me for a loop. Or it did throw me for a loop, but it is it's a functional program with a few bugs that need to be ironed out, like when the user doesn't want to put the info that it asks for. So that's all I wanted to show. Thank you for watching. Bye.